What's up everyone? Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. I wanted to shoot a video to talk to you about the things that we're doing here to increase the customer experience and to provide a better service to you, our end users, our end customers. So one of the things that we do here and that we've implemented 8 to 12 months ago is to make sure that the information that your system designer is talking to you about gets relayed and transferred all the way to our office staff as well as to the foreman that's going to be working on your job. To do that, what we implemented was to make sure that when they talk to you, when they leave, they make notes about your specific project and they put together a drawing. When they put together that drawing, they will shoot a video basically showing the screen of their iPad or their laptop, and they will narrate the meeting and the project and the conversations and the things and concerns that you have, everything involved with your project. They will narrate that on that video to make sure that that video can be uploaded to our system that we use within our company so that our office staff and our foremen know not only but what they're doing, but why are they doing it, what are your concerns. And this is just one of the ways that we're continuing to level up to provide a better product and a better service for you. We won't stop doing this. We hope this gives you a better understanding of the type of company we are and what we're trying to do here. Until next time, y'all have a good one.